Hi, in this video we will determine if y equals 2 sine x and in a separate problem y equals e to the minus 2x, or solutions to y to the fourth, or it should be in parentheses, meaning the fourth derivative of y minus 16y equals 0. So the first thing we want to do is get the fourth derivative of y. So the first derivative would be minus 2, because the derivative of sine is negative cosine, so the 2 would be out front. So it's minus 2 cosine x. And then the second derivative would be, again, we can move the negative 2 out. The derivative of cosine is just sine. The third derivative would be, again, we can move out the negative 2. The derivative of sine x is negative cosine x, so that's going to make my negative 2 positive, so we got 2 cosine x. And the fourth derivative would be, again, I've moved that 2 out. It's positive, and the derivative of cosine is positive sine, so the fourth derivative is 2 sine x. So now I can just plug this in and see if it makes a true equation. So y to the 4, in place of that, I'm going to plug in 2 sine x, and then I'm going to subtract 16, and then I'm going to replace 16 with my original y, which was 2 sine x. Okay, so here I end up with 2 sine x minus 32 sine x. So I can see right away, no, does that equal 0? And the answer would be no. Okay. So now let's try another one down here. Again, I'm going to approach it the same way. I've got to get the fourth derivative. So the derivative of e to the minus 2x is going to be e to the minus 2x times the derivative of minus 2x. So that's going to be minus 2 e to the minus 2x. Second derivative, same thing. I'd have the minus 2 times the minus 2 would become a positive 4. Still got e to the minus 2x. Third derivative, I've got the minus 2 times a positive 4. That's going to give me minus 8 e to the minus 2x. And the fourth derivative, which would be a negative 2 times a negative 8, positive 16 e to the minus 2x. And now I can plug that back into here. These questions were both the same. I want to see if either one of these is a solution to this. So I'm going to start off with my fourth derivative of y, which is 16 e to the minus 2x. And then subtract off there 16, and in place of y I'm going to put my original function here, because y equals e to the minus 2x. And from here you can see I get 16e to the minus 2x minus 16e to the minus 2x, which is going to equal 0. So that's a true statement, so this is in fact a solution. So that will help you with chapter 6, section 1. Let me know if you have other questions.